Hello everybody, live from the Buffalo Wind Tunnel or Lucky 8 headquarters. We always have wind here, so if you got a kite and you don't know where to go, parking lot's it. But speaking of the parking lot, take a look. You're going to see our old project LR3. The electronics in the air system have completely given up the ghost. We're going to dig into that, see if the Terrafirma 2-inch lift kit will fix its problems and get this truck up and running again. Wish us luck and enjoy the show. Wow, there you have it. Zach just took us off today. Took him about 4 hours to get the old kit out and the new suspension in. We're going to get this ready for an event, and hopefully you'll get to see it in person somewhere.